getting ready to leave Pensacola here and starting the day out with easily the most positivity of the trip. As soon as I posted on Facebook, somebody from Pensacola reached out. It was like, hey, heartbroken for you, man. My car, same car, got rear-ended a while ago. I want to bring you some parts to help put that thing back together. So this guy worked late last night, got called in, said he had to work overtime, and woke up early this morning, driving over to bring me a grill to replace our broken one. So, I mean, we also have on the way home, another PowerTour guy has a fender for us in Ohio, gave me his address. It's like, here's where it is, go grab it out of the back of the truck. I told my neighbors you're coming. So like, honestly, like I've said a lot, like the hot rod community coming together, just incredible. I can't express how much all of this means to me. Like, you guys made it. Like, this is awesome. Never gonna get rid of this fender. It's gonna be hanging on the wall of our building for a long time to come. So thank you so much again for watching. Thanks for the comments and everything. Like, thank you for the parts, especially if you're somebody that's helping us out finding parts. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling, but I just wanted to start out the video like that because this, look at this, our hero. This thing rules, dude. Do you mind if I film?
No, go ahead.
This is the car that got hit, or a different one?
This is the one.
Wow. Dude, thank you so much.
Oh, my pleasure. I said I gotta bring it out. Gotta drive it.
This thing is so cool. Look at that. We got our first piece. You were actually the first person to reach out, too. So sick.
I love the Band-Aid.
I know.
That's what I was gonna do. Don't text and drive.
Right?
Wow, she got whacked up patrol on her too, huh? How's she traveling? She okay?
I think it pushed the shock tower in.
Okay. Dude, we can't thank you enough, man. This is so awesome.
That's awesome. This car got rear-ended and he fixed it with exactly what I want to do with our car. So it's got the Control Freak front suspension, rear 4-link, like, sweet. Look at that. Wow. Coilovers, the whole bit. I guess this is exactly what we're gonna do to that car now. I mean, honestly, this is like inspiration. This keeps me going. This car got rear-ended, he said. He's had it parked for a few years, but he said he had to just drive it out today. Just, yeah, I don't know. I needed this, man. This is, I'm ready. This is so sick. This thing rules. I'm still completely blown away. Wendell, thank you so much. We're on the road now to Atlanta. Long drive, got 5 hours. Got a rolling shot from Hot Rod there. That's pretty cool. honestly didn't think we would make it here, but we did. It's something. I'm stoked.
Why didn't you think we weren't gonna make it?
Because we got hit by a dump truck.
Oh, well, other than that.
I mean, the car doesn't. Officially made it. This has been one of the hardest things I've had to do. I don't know how the guys that do like drag week and stuff do it. We just had to drive from spot to spot, but man, it was worth it. We'll get the car fixed. It's gonna be good. Today we're with the pilot transport group, which is pretty sick. Sad to say, we are not transporting the car home. We are driving it home, which is a little brutal because we only go about 60 miles an hour, but we'll make it. So, yeah.
Where it is, right on the other side.
Yeah, I believe so. That's awesome. All this for this side. I like the bugs.
So that truck that they're going to be using as placemats for lunch. They're wonderful.
This looks a little like it's been like that for a while though. This is like one of 5 lots they've got just packed with cars. There's got to be 5,000 to 6,000 cars here right now. Pretty incredible turnout. PowerTour, that's a pretty good example right there. I might have had a clip of this car in my first day video, but it is rowdy. It sounds pretty fierce. And when you've got the E85 jugs on the roof, you know the guy's serious. No, it doesn't. This is Isaac from Cars and Camera. Isaac, it'll be fine.
Yeah, my dad had it.
I think that's gonna wrap it up. PowerTour for us 2022. We made it against all odds, I guess. I don't know, pretty wild, but time to head like 700 miles home to Michigan. I think we're gonna go, I don't know, Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.